All right guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I got the stump grinder rebuilt, freshened up, new bearings, all that good stuff, piston rings and all that. And I got a job back here in the backyard that I got a first one, and it's in the back corner that I'm going to take out. It's a willow stump. I've got to cut it down, and it was uprooted by a storm, and so I got to cut this up. He's wanting to, where I can manage getting it out. This is going to be the first challenge of the stump grinder since it's being rebuilt, and it ain't too bad. It's uprooted, and I'm going to take the saw and cut it up in small pieces for the guy that got me the job, where he can haul it out. guys, that's got to be that oil coming off that exhaust that's making all that yeah, that's what that is. When they shot all that oil, it got all over that, so that's going to take a minute to burn off. Alright guys, I got that finished up. Well, it ain't finished, but I got it grounded. I got the stump grounded, and I got a couple of these roots I got to hit, but these are just barely hung on. They ain't nothing, you know, they ain't nothing bad. They're already broke loose. Just take it. I could either probably take the chainsaw and just nip them, go around and get that. But the thing about it is, it's so clumpy and muddy. It rained like 2 days ago, and the yards are still wet, so I'm just going to do my best and landscape it. And I'm a contractor on this job again for a landscaper, you know, and I was just told to go grind the stump, so and I'm just trying to grade it out as best I can. I hate leaving it when it's clumpy like this. I mean, you know, but I can sit here and play and until it dries out. I can't do nothing. The stump grinders, man, it's running great. So I guess I'll go try to do another job, the one where it broke down on. I'll try to go do it. And the oil on it was all over the exhaust, so that's why you kept seeing the smoke, you know. I was worried where it come out of the tailpipe is where I was worried, but it's running great. Alright guys, that worked out pretty good today. The motor seems like it's gonna work. Hey, if you like the channel, hit the like button and the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.